Hi everyone, today we're going to look at Bubble 12, and here this is basically just responding to a single click from our mouse. So you'll notice we've learned some key went down and key went up responses, but now we're going to take a look at when the mouse is down and up, basically when we're just clicking or it just recognizes a click. It's not like if you're holding the mouse down. So a few things, we are going to make a simple game that counts how many times we've clicked. So think of like cookie clicker, if you will, and it's going to count for us. So if anything, right now, it's keeping track of our clicks. Our clicks are set at 0, and every time we click, or our goal is to create a program or an app or a code so that every time we click, it counts how many clicks we're clicking and it outputs it to the screen. So right now we have a variable called clicks. We have a background white. We're going to have some text and it's going to show the number of clicks. So if I run this, it shows 0. It's not doing anything because it's not counting anything. All it is drawing out the text. So watch, if I click, nothing happens. So we want to reset and we want to take a look at our code here. We need a few things. We need an if statement because we have to determine if we're clicking or not. So I'm going to go to my if statements under control. I don't need an else. I just need an if statement. And then I'm just saying, hey, when I click the mouse down. So if I click the mouse down, so I got to find my my mouse went down. Doesn't matter if I'm holding the mouse down, I just want to know if I clicked it. So mouse went down. If the mouse went down, and I can just do left, I'm going to add to the variable clicks. So right now clicks is 0, and every time I click, I'm adding 1 score. So I need the variable purple. I'm then going to say, hey, when I click down on the mouse, I'm going to call upon clicks or take that variable clicks, and I'm going to add to itself. So I need math, and I need the plus, and I'm saying when I click down, I'm going to add to the number of clicks I currently have. I'm going to add 1 point. So just to explain, when this runs through, right now our clicks is 0. It is going to draw out the number. And if I click down on the mouse, it's going to add 1 to the current value. So clicks is 0. When I click down, it adds 1. So now clicks is 1. Then if I click down again, clicks is 1. It adds 1. Clicks is 2. And I'll output that. And when I click on my mouse again, clicks is 2 plus 1, which is 3. It'll output 3. When I click down again, clicks is 3 plus 1, which is 4, and it'll output 4. So I'm going to run this, and I'm going to click with my mouse, and every time I click, it's adding 1 to my current score. And you can change the background if you want. You could change it up to yellow, reset. You can change the font size. Maybe instead of 50, it's 100. Oh, 100 is too big, I think. Let's do 80. There. So you can make it bigger if you want. I think 80 will be too big. 50 is probably the biggest right now for that area. And then remember, this is the text, and it's outputting the number, what the value of clicks is. It's outputting it right there, and then this is the location of where the text is going to be located. So, and how wide that text area is. That's why I couldn't go over 50. Okay, so that is how we count the number of times we are clicking on our mouse. So think of it like it's keeping a score.